problem in exercise 7. Write any three equivalent rational numbers to each of the following. Here two rational numbers are given. First one is 2 by 3. Here we have to write three equivalent rational numbers. So see here, how can we write equivalent rational numbers? Means we have to multiply the denominator and numerator with the same number. If you multiply the denominator and the numerator with the same number, then the product is the equivalent rational number to the given number. See here, 2 by 3, I am multiplying 2 by 3 with the numerator and denominator with the same number. See here, 2 by 2. If here this 2 and this 2 is cancelled each other, so the answer is 1. If you multiply any number with 1, the answer is the same number. So like that in this way I am taking 2 by 2. If you take 2 by 2 means 1. If you multiply any number with 1, the answer is the same number. So 2 into 2 is equal to 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 here. 2 into 2. 2 multiplied with 2, 4. 3 multiplied with 2, 6. See here, in 2 table, if you take 2 table, 4 how many times in 2 table? 2 times. And 6 how many times? 3 times. So the answer is 2 by 3. Answer here is 2 by 3. So it is a equivalent rational number for the given number. Here he is asking for 3 equivalent. So we have to find extra 2. I am taking 2 by 3 and multiplying with 3 by 3. See here, 2 into 3 divided by 3 into 3. 2 3 is 6 by 3 3 is 9. This is one of the equivalent rational number for 2 by 3. I am taking 2 by 3. Now I am multiplying with 5 by 5. We have to take here any number, but the numerator and the denominator is same. Must be same, must be equal. Then we get the equivalent rational number for the given. So 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 and 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So these are the three equivalent rational numbers for 2 by 3. Okay, see the second question here. Minus 3 by 8 is given. So we have to write three equivalent rational numbers for minus 3 by 8. So that's why I am taking same but taking different numbers. 4 by 4 I am taking minus 3 into 4 by 8 into 4. 3 4s 12 and it has negative sign. Minus 12 by 8 4s 32. Minus 12 by 32. Here in 4 table it is 3 times and it is 8 times. So the answer is minus 3 by 8. So it is one of the equivalent rational number for minus 3 by 8. See, minus 3 by 8 multiplied with 5 by 5. Minus 3 into 5 by 8 into 5. Minus 15 by 40. Minus 3 by 8 I am taking, multiplying with 9 by 9. Minus 3 into 9 by 8 into 9. That's equal to minus 3 9s 27 minus 27 by 8 9 72. So these three minus 12 by 32, minus 15 by 40, minus 27 by 72 are the three equivalent rational numbers for minus 3 by 8. Okay children? Okay children, second question is, what is the equivalent rational number for minus 15 by 36 with denominator 12 and second one is numerator minus 75. Here he is asking for the equivalent rational number for minus 15 by 36. So given rational number, what is the given rational number? Minus 15 by 36. So we have to write the equivalent rational number for this number with here some is given, something is given. What is that? Denominator 12. Denominator is 12. So we have to write equivalent rational number for this number with the denominator as 12. So here minus by 15 by 36 has denominator 36, but we have to convert this 36 into 12. How can we convert? By simply dividing this number we can convert this number into, we can convert this denominator as 12. So I am dividing this number with I am cancelling. Now I am cancelling. See here, 15 by 36. What is the common table, common multiples? Here in 15, 3 table is cancelling. 36 also 3 table is, it is a multiple of 3. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 36 is also a multiple of 3. So I am cancelling in 3 table. In 3 table 15 how many times? 3 table 15 5 times. 3 5 is 15 and 36 12 times. So we get the answer minus 5 by 12. So it is a equivalent factor by if you multiply with 3 we get minus 15 by 36. So this is a equivalent factor for equivalent rational number for minus 15 by 36. Okay children, this is the first one. See the second one. Minus 15 by 36 we have. So we here numerator minus 75. So here we have numerator minus 15. So we convert this into minus 75. How can we convert? By simply multiplying with 5. Simply multiply minus 15 by 36 with 5 by 5. Minus 75 by 36 into 5. 5 6 are 30. Carry 3. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 18. Minus 75 by 180 is the answer. Okay children. Okay children, next question is mark the following rational numbers on the number line. So we have to mark these two rational numbers on the number line. First of all write the before numbers for 1 by 2. What are the numbers for before numbers for 1 by 2? 0 by 2. 0 by 2. Before 1 we have 0, that's why 0 by 2. After 1 we have 2. 2 by 2. Denominator must be same. And the numerator is changing. So 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2, 7 by 2 and so on. See here 2 by 2 means 2 and 2 is cancelled and it is 1. 0 by 2 means 0. 0 by anything is equal to 0. So 1 by 2 is in between 0 and 1. 1 by 2 is in between 0 and 1. Okay children. Draw a number line and represent numbers on this line. 0 here and negative numbers which are left side 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. And positive numbers right side 1, 2, 3 and so on. See here we have 1 by 2 is in between 0 and 2. So here is 1 by 2. Here is the 1 by 2. Like that we have to represent the number on the number line. Here 3 by 4 we have. Write this 3 by 4. Second one is 3 by 4. So write the before and after numbers for 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So 2 by 4, 1 by 4 and 0 by 4. After numbers 4 by 4, 5 by 4 and so on. See here, if you see here 4 by 4 means 1. 4 by 4 means 1 and 0 by 4 means 0. So 3 by 4 is also in between 0 and 1. Here 2 by 4 means what? 1 by 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. So we represent already 1 by 2 on the number line. So 3 by 2 is after 1 by 2 means it is in between 1 by 2 and 1. See here 3 by 4 is in between 1 and 1 by 2. So we have to represent 1 by 4, 3 by 4 here. Okay children, this is the 3 by 4. Like that we have to represent the numbers on the number line. Okay children? Okay children, homework problem this is. write 5 equivalent rational numbers to the given numbers. So we have to write 5 equivalent rational numbers to each of these numbers. Thank you children. Bye. See you tomorrow.